Behind the design, EVA density. This client needed multiple pairs of custom orthotics with the same performance or characteristics in each pair. They required consistency in comfort, consistency in control, and consistency in patient results. The aim of this orthotic was for consistency in orthotic control across multiple pairs with the ability to order future pairs and maintain this consistency. They used the DOLA Custom Orthotic service. They were able to select from 3 consistent density options in the EVA direct milled section of the DOLA detailed prescription form. Direct milled EVA is offered in 3 density options to suit all patient types and prescription aims. It is direct milled from a block of EVA, avoiding inconsistency with heating and vacuum pressing. It will give you consistent performance across your orthotic densities. The density differences are designed to suit the most common patient requirements of a balance between comfort to control. It is available in 3 densities, in soft, medium, and hard. Ortho tip. Factors to consider in choosing your EVA density include the patient's body weight, the orthotic reaction force required, clinical test results including the manual supination resistance test, the planned activities, and the footwear attributes. For more information on DOLA Orthotics, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Access our DOLA custom manual at dolaorthotics.com.